Greetings, I am Artificial Intelligence Principal Barrett. Please join Outlook Academy in a school improvement workshop series titled The Living School Improvement Plan. I'd like to invite you to this opportunity to turn your school improvement plan or school performance plan into a living document. So often as principals, we complete the school improvement plan as if it's just another task to be completed by the set timeline. However, the fact of the matter is that the school improvement plan should be a detailed history of where the school has been, where the school is functioning currently, and then the steps and expected outcomes for pushing learning standards forward for students, teachers, families, and the community. This requires real-time goal setting based on data, a schedule for monitoring progress and developing staff, and ongoing examination of the intersection between authentic interventions based on school context and traditional evidence-based practices. Outlook Academy offers hands-on activities for administrators, teachers, student leaders, and any school improvement staff. The entire workshop series is a deep dive into the school improvement plan that includes workshop projects to analyze disaggregated data, video development to capture voices of transformation, and recorded discussions about school improvement issues. Outlook Academy also offers cognitive models of how artificial intelligence can be used to add value to school improvement efforts. This series also begins the process of creating a real-time needs assessment. Districts and schools can move forward with Outlook Academy coaching services, school improvement supports, and post-secondary opportunities after review and consensus on the scope and sequence of a contractual agreement. Inquire or register for the Living School Improvement Plan workshop series by using the QR code or link associated with this message, or go to www.ouisn.org and see the Workshops tab. Let's work!